Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2278th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And tonight, this video has to be quick. Do you know why? Go Knights, go! Go Knights, go! It's a do-or-die game for my Golden Knights hockey. So I can't wait to get down there and see it. The game started 3 minutes ago. I want out of this video. So, traders, know that this is a risky game. You can lose way more money than you had planned on if you're in options, futures, stocks on margin, you name it. If you do not put your protective stops in first, you can get slaughtered. So please know the risks and let's get moving. Let me just say this. To the families in Florida, our prayers go out to you. I hope every single person gets found alive. Really scary. I was there for the trade centers, so I know when stuff like that happens, it's really bad. And then our prayers go out to the Golden Knights as well. Let's see what happens. God, you got a lot of work for us this evening. Try to take care of it all right? All right, traders. So what is on the board for trading on 6/25 Friday, 2021? Well, the board's exactly the same as it was last night, but I added one topic, so let's go over it. We are day traders, right? Not much changed. The Russell 2000 is holding well. The NASDAQ holding well, too. These two trades we are going to go after on Friday at the OMNI Trading Academy. Tesla, very strong-looking chart, but nearing a do-or-die area like my Knights. Now, we reached that do-or-die area today on Thursday. Friday, we need a confirmation day, and then we've got our signal. So no trade for Tesla. Thursday's trade was fantastic. Buying it cheap, expecting it to run up. That did work, but we never got filled, but the trade was right. So Tesla, no trade on Friday. Bitcoin testing that triple bottom, and we are going to finally buy Bitcoin because Omni gave us a buy signal, and I'm excited about that. And gold is sitting in a bear flag looking for some downside. So the charts will include Russell 2000 and NASDAQ to show you why I think they're strong. I've got a Tesla chart to show you why I think we just back off for a day and allow Tesla to tell us what's going to happen. Bitcoin, why not buy it? Because everybody loves Bitcoin, especially when it's going up, and the Omni has flipped to a green signal. Gold in that bear flag is pressing towards the downside. Traders, I'm going to show you the charts in a moment. I want you to subscribe to these videos. Remember that I'm hosting an Omni Camp in September. I am accepting applications now, September 16th through the 20th. Make sure you fill out your applications. I'm only accepting 6 students. And then remember, when you're in a trade, good, bad, or indifferent, before we look at these charts, remember this. When you are in a trade, when it is against you especially, say this to yourselves over and over again, because I know it helps. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, rock and roll. Let's go. Look at some charts. Traders, NASDAQ daily bar looking fantastic ever since that great hold of the bottom of this channel line, as it always does. Great hold here. Since then, we got above previous contract highs, the highest it's ever been before. We are above that and looking very smart, and Omni is green for another up day on Friday. Russell 2000, just as we did in NASDAQ, we like buying dips. Now, that doesn't mean you just get in and get long. We like to buy dips and then get long and expect it to go higher. So we don't just jump right in. When we have a green Omni, it's looking to buy a dip and then move higher. So keep that in mind. So we'll be buying dips in Russell and or NASDAQ on Friday. Gold, if I can, I will be selling short gold. Why? Because this, my friends, is a bear flag. Bear flags generally produce downward movement. We are below a very important average. And Omni is looking for the red side. So I'm looking for downside, selling rallies in gold. And then Bitcoin, 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 baby. Now, this could very well turn out to be the makings of a bear flag. But for now, We've got a bullish OMNI. We're not at the top or bottom of a flag. It's like fair game in the middle, and we are going to take a buy signal in that flag for now. When we get to the top or bottom of the flag, we'll back off. And then there is Tesla. Now, traders, yesterday we had this bar, and I mentioned to you that this is an algorithm type of trading market. Algorithms, there's a specific algorithm they use on Tesla. And you can see it comes in all the time around here. Well, we got above that on Thursday, and here's Thursday's bar. Now, Tesla needed to close above 677 to maintain bullishness. It closed exactly at 677. That means we have to wait. It didn't give us the signal yet. So we will take a one-day breather and let Tesla do what it wants to do without us, and we'll revisit it on Monday. Traders, thanks for tuning in, and join me in my live free trading room at livewithoscar.com.